Wanna learn how to highlight the text in CapCut like this? Let me show you. Method number 1. First, import the picture with the text you want to highlight and drag it to the timeline. Then go up to text and add the text. Let us change the color first and write underscore a couple of times. Then scroll down and uncheck uniform scale. Set the scale height to around 300 and drag the line up so we see the width we need for the line. Then drag it above the text you want to highlight and duplicate the line by pressing Ctrl or Command plus C to copy and Ctrl or Command plus V to paste it. Drag the copy line down and adjust the width. Copy the line one more time for the third row and again adjust the width. Then highlight the first line, go up to animations and search for wipe right animation. Set the duration to 1 second. Drag the second line to the point where animation stops for the first line. Go up to animations, wipe right, but this time set the duration to 1.5 seconds because it is longer sentence. Drag the third line to the playhead here, go to animations, wipe right, and set the duration to 1 second. Now go to the first line where animation stops, move 1 frame forward and cut the right part by pressing W on your keyboard. Do the same for other two lines, but on the last one you can leave it a little longer. Then highlight all 3 lines, right click, create a compound clip, go up to video, scroll down to blend and choose multiply. With this you will get the text see-through. Method number 2. Here I have this old paper and a handwritten note. We could use the same method as before, but for this case I will use a brush PNG, which you can download in a link in the description. So drag the brush down. As you can see, it is very thick. That is why we need to uncheck uniform scale again and set the width and height for our text. Duplicate the brush for second text. Set the width, height and position again. Highlight the first brush, right click and create a compound clip. Then go up to mask, add mask, choose split version, rotate it to -90 degrees and set the feather to 25. Then drag the mask to the left and click keyframe on position. Drag the playhead to 2-second mark, drag the mask all the way to the right and keyframe will be created. Then go to basic, blend and choose multiply so we get that see-through effect. We can also drag the opacity down so we get more natural look. Drag the second brush to the playhead and cut the left part at the end. Go back to the beginning of the second brush, highlight the first one, 1 frame forward and cut the right part. Then highlight the second brush again, right click and create a compound clip. Go up to mask, add mask, choose split, rotate it to -90 degrees, set the feather to 25, drag the mask to the left side and click keyframe on position. Move to 4-second mark and drag the mask to the right. Then go up to basic, blend, multiply and set the opacity to 70%. Method number 3. I will write a random text on this black old paper. Extend it to the end, which is 10 seconds. I will change the text to this handwritten font and make it a little bit bigger. Then copy the text, change the color, and I will also add a glow effect. Right click on the second text and create a compound clip. Go up to video, mask, add mask, and this time we will choose a rectangle version. Move rectangle up, make it smaller like this, and set the feather to 20. we can still make width a little smaller. Then drag it to the left side and click keyframe on position. Move your playhead to 2.5 second mark and drag the mask to the right side and keyframe will be created. Move one frame forward and drag the mask to the second line. Then move your playhead to 5 second mark and again drag the mask to the right side like this. Repeat the process for the third line and at the end you get this animation. Let me know how did you like the tutorial down in the comments. Take care and see you in the next one.